Hello students, this is your English grammar class and today we will discuss countable and uncountable nouns. Nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. जिनको हम count कर सकते हैं that are countable nouns. They can be singular or plural. Now see the examples. There is a cat in the garden. I had a dream about you last night. एक कैट की बात हो रही है, एक ड्रीम की बात हो रही है मीन्स सिंगुलर. वी यूज ए एन विद सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन. 4 birds आर फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई. बर्ड्स मीन्स प्लूरल, ज़्यादा बर्ड्स की बात हो रही है. नाउ वी आर शोइंग नंबर 4 birds and we can also use with plural noun, plural countable noun, we can also use some, any. Now we will discuss uncountable noun. Nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable noun. They are usually in the singular. They can be abstract or concrete. Most abstract and some concrete noun are countable. See the examples. The truth needs to be spoken. He roamed the world in search of knowledge. Some milk has spilled on the floor. Now see, truth, knowledge, milk. These are uncountable noun, means which we can't count. Now we will discuss use of some and any. As you can see on your screen, there is a chart showing use of some, any. There is type of sentence. If sentence is affirmative and we are using singular countable noun, then we will use a or an. And if plural noun, we will use some. And if there is uncountable noun, we will use some. Examples are also given. And if sentence is negative or interrogative, for singular countable noun, we will use a, an. And if there is plural uncountable noun or uncountable noun, then we will use any. Here you have to note one thing, that if any noun is plural countable or uncountable. For affirmative sentence you will use some, and for negative and interrogative you have to use any. Now we will discuss some important points. That abstract nouns can be countable or uncountable. See the examples like dream. Dream is abstract but it is countable, and knowledge is also abstract but it is uncountable. Now in the same way we will discuss concrete nouns. Concrete nouns can also be countable or uncountable. See the examples. Orange. Orange is countable and it's concrete. Milk is also concrete but this is uncountable. Now milk is uncountable, but if we will use any unit to describe it, it will become countable. Like milk, uncountable, but glass of milk, a bottle of milk, it will become countable. For example, sugar. Sugar is also uncountable, but if we are using a unit to describe it, like a spoon of sugar, a cup of sugar, then it will become countable.